In today's video, I will be sharing 5 latest freshers hiring opportunities. Before we begin, if you don't want to miss any latest job updates, internships or off-campus opportunities, make sure that you subscribe to Navi 360 Diaries so that you never miss any opportunity. Let's get into the video. First opportunity is from Icertis. They are hiring for the position of software development engineer and test intern. Location is Pune, Maharashtra. Coming to the eligibility, if you are pursuing BTech in computer science or any related field, or you are a recent graduate, you can apply for this position. Required skills are Python, AI tools, software testing, SDLC, testing principles, problem solving, analytical skills, and basic database knowledge. Coming to the work, you will work on automated testing, executing test cases, finding and reporting bugs, code reviews, performance and loading testing, test documentation, and maintaining test environments. This job is best suited for freshers who are interested in software development, QA, software testing, and automation. If you have these skills and you are a fresher, don't miss this opportunity. Apply before it's too late. Second opportunity is from Pragma Edge. They are hiring for the position of graduate software engineer trainee. Location is Madhapur, Hyderabad. Work mode is work from office. Shift is rotational. Salary is between 3.5 to 4 LPA. Coming to the eligibility, 2026 graduates with BTech, BE, MCA or MTech degree are eligible to apply. Required skills are strong communication and problem solving skills, Java or Python fundamentals, programming fundamentals, analytical skills, problem solving, good verbal and written communication, willingness to learn. Here comes the question what you will learn. This company provides training in Java or Python, EDI, IBM Sterling, B2B integrator, IBM Transformation Extender, APIs and system integration, B2B integration, cloud and enterprise technologies, supply chain and retail processes. This company provides training in all the above mentioned things. This is best suited for 2026 graduates who want to start their career in software development, enterprise technologies, and system integration. So don't miss this opportunity. Third opportunity is from Juspay. They are hiring for the position of software development engineer backend. Location is Bangalore. It's a full-time job opportunity. You just need to fill this form, upload your resume here, and select source like from which you got this link to apply. Select anything, no problem. Give your date of birth, full name, gender, country, phone number, email ID, college name, undergraduate degree, undergraduation year, and what are the skills you have, and just submit it. That's it. It's very simple. So if you have knowledge about software development and you have relevant projects, don't miss this opportunity as it is just pay hiring. It is a big opportunity, so don't miss this. Fourth opportunity is from LogiNext. They are hiring for the position of junior software engineer client success. Location is Mumbai. It's a full-time job opportunity. Coming to the eligibility, bachelor's degree in computer science, IT or related field are eligible. 0 to 1 year of development experience, people can apply for this position. Coming to required skills, Java, JPA, Spring Framework, RESTful Web Services, MySQL, MongoDB, strong Java coding, troubleshooting, root cause analysis, problem solving, communication. These are all the required skills. Coming to the preferred skills, HTML, CSS, jQuery, Angular, D3.js, AWS, Python. These are all the preferred skills. You don't need to have all the preferred skills. If you have the required skills, you can apply for this position. Now coming to the work, what you will do. You will provide technical and production support, troubleshoot application issues, identify root causes, develop code level enhancement, work with product development and DevOps teams, maintain SLAs. You will manage multiple requirements and deadlines, work independently and with teams. Now comes the important part. The role requires rotational weekend support. So if you have all the mentioned skills and you are okay to rotational shifts in weekends, apply for this position. Final opportunity is from RTX. They are hiring for the position of Associate Engineer Data Analytics. Location is Bengaluru. It's a full-time job opportunity. Coming to the eligibility, bachelor's degree in engineering are eligible. Eligible batches include computer science, IT, electronics, mechanical, industrial, production, aerospace and related disciplines. Fresh graduates or candidates up to 2 years of experience can apply for this position. Coming to required skills, data analytics, data visualization, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Tools or Tableau, AI tools are required. Coming to preferred skills, SQL, Python, Power BI, Tableau, dashboard creation, KPI reporting, automated reporting, these and all. You don't need to have all the preferred skills. If you are interested in data analytics and have done relevant projects, do apply for this position. Now comes the part what you will do. Collect and validate data, maintain operational and quality data, create dashboards and KPI reports, automate report processes and etc. Before applying, check all the skills and work you will do and apply for this position. If you are interested in data analytics, don't miss this opportunity. That's it about all 5 freshers hiring opportunities. I have mentioned all the application links in the description. Check it out and apply before it's too late. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Navi 360 Diaries. See you in the next video.